Welcome to my review of the AWeber affiliate program. If you're thinking about joining or are curious about how it works, you're in the right place. AWeber is a well-known name in email marketing, and they've built an affiliate program that promises solid commissions and an easy-to-use platform for affiliates. When you first visit the AWeber website, you're greeted with an intuitive interface that highlights the affiliate program front and center. Signing up is a straightforward process. You'll need to create an account, and once you're logged in, you can start promoting AWeber services right away. The platform provides you with affiliate links, banners, and promotional content to help you get started. The commissions are where things get interesting. AWeber offers affiliates the chance to earn recurring commission for every customer they refer. The commissions are competitive, with affiliates earning up to 30% for each customer they bring in. This means that if you consistently refer new customers, you can build a reliable income stream over time. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. The affiliate dashboard is where you'll track your earnings, clicks, and other performance metrics. It's easy to navigate and provides a clear picture of how your referrals are performing. Whether you're an experienced marketer or just starting out, you'll find the tool simple to use and effective for tracking your success. AWeber also has a great reputation for its customer support. Should you encounter any issues, their team is responsive and helpful. This adds an extra layer of confidence when recommending their services. One of the standout features of AWeber's affiliate program is the variety of tools available to affiliates. There are resources such as email templates, banners, and even email swipe copy to help you craft campaigns that convert. These tools are particularly helpful for beginners who may not have much experience in affiliate marketing. Another point worth mentioning is AWeber's training materials. They provide a lot of educational content, such as webinars and articles, to help affiliates improve their marketing strategies. This is an excellent resource for anyone looking to sharpen their affiliate marketing skills. If you're looking to promote a reliable email marketing tool with great affiliate potential, AWeber could be a solid choice. With its recurring commissions, great support, and affiliate-friendly tools, AWeber's affiliate program is worth considering. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews and insights.